Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Testing out my new combo. It's the Shimano Slx DC. Got it on, oh, it's upside down. You can see 7.5, medium heavy, extra fast action. So yeah, we're gonna be testing it out. We're gonna see how it casts. It's pretty windy, so I'm sure this would be a pretty good test for it. See if I backlash a lot or not. But anyways, without wasting any more time, let's get to fishing, guys. It's pretty chilly with all this wind, so I was hoping I'd be able to nail a few and get out of here. Got a crank on. Oh, got one. All right, guys, we got the first fish. Oh. Man, he's stuck. These fast action rods, I'm not used to that. Used to be able to just flip them out of there real easy. All right, guys, we got our first fish on the new combo. Not a bad one. It's probably maybe a little over 1.5 pounds, maybe close to 2. I doubt it. It's pretty chunky, but not very long. But all right, let's see if we can't get us another one. He was pretty close to the bank here, so oh, I think we got another one. Nope, we got a lot of grass. Probably gonna throw a jig on. Might have some better luck with that, but I just wanted to cover a lot of water. Throw something out there that we can cover fast. About threw it out of my hand. I do like the left hand reel a lot better than the right hand, that's for sure. I gotta get used to how I like holding it though. So used to holding it with my left and reeling in with my right. Got one. Oh yeah. Oh shoot, no. Man, he came right out underneath this grass here. The water's so much higher than it normally is. There's one. Yep. That's a nice one too. Oh yeah. It's not a bad one. You can tell these fish are starting to get chunked up. All right, guys. There's fish number 2. 3 if we wouldn't have lost that one. All right. Went ahead and switched over to a jig. Got a Strike King. I can't remember the name of it. 3-inch swim bait. Usually I use a crawdad. Don't remember the name of them either, but see if we can't work this to make them get a bite. Oh, got one. Oh, yeah. Well, I think that'll work just fine. Now that's probably the biggest one of the day too. So that's what we switched over to. Like I said, I don't have any of the normal crawdad imitations that I normally use. the crawl plastics. I think I left them all in the car. I don't know if I like walking back over there again, but that's like maybe the third or fourth cast with that. Probably the heaviest fish of the day. He hammered that thing right there at the bank. I was just slowly bringing it in. See if we can't get some more. Just reeling it in real slow. Once I feel it's getting towards the bottom, because I think a lot of these fish are sitting. See that grass there? I think there's like a little shelf kind of almost like underneath that. And these fish are just holding. I've caught like 3 of them. The one I lost was right there in the grass, and I think that's why I lost them, because I had that crank on and I wasn't able to really get them. Set the hook on them very well. Whew, it's nice that the sun's starting to come out. You can already feel a little bit of warmth from it. And it went back. Whew, I was hoping it was going to stay out. I might venture around the other side of the pond just for the heck of it. Oh, there's one. Oh, that's a nice one. Or it just has a real big mouth. Nope, that's a pretty nice one. Come on. Oh yeah. That's a nice one. Oh man. Freaking swallow that thing. Look at that thing. Woo. I bet you that's a 4-pounder. Barely even hooked. Man, somebody ripped the lip on this poor guy when he was a little one, probably. Look at that, guys. You can catch a fish without ripping its head off. For all you guys out there that don't know that, I mean, there's no need for that. I've caught my biggest bass and I didn't rip his head off. I barely even set the hook. Let your rod do it. All right, guys. That is a nice fish. I guess it's not a very long one though, is it? All right, let's get this one back. All right, let's... All right, buddy. And there we go. All right, let's get us another one, guys. Oh, there's one. Oh yeah. Man, I tell you what, these fish are just some chunks. Not very long at all, but look at that. Look how dark that bass is. Alright guys, we got another one here. They're just sitting so close to the bank. You gotta get it right in there. They're all chunks too. I mean, look at that thing. Barely even hook. Look, he just shook the hook right out of there. Probably one of the longer ones.